What's going on, everybody, and welcome back to the channel. It is cold, it is wet, and we have to go up to Ohio. North Canton to be precise, because girls have a figure skating competition that they are involved in. So, get my stuff in the car here. We got Haley's stuff. Put my bag in the back here. Max got her skates.
Ooh!
Max got her skates. Okay. Holy Moses. And in our travels, I'm going to stop. That's dirty down there. And in our travels, I'm going to stop and drop this off at my friend John's shop. Let him get started on it. Let's hit the road. Alright, we're at my friend's shop. Run in there, drop this off, because he's out running.
Keep left to merge onto I-77 south toward Canton.
Alright, we're here. We're at Center Ice Arena for another figure skating show. See how much fun this one is. Another Beauty and the Beast production. How are you? So another Beauty and the Beast production, and I'm sure we'll enjoy that.
Somebody else has to go home with him and be me.
Hey, did I not used to walk on the ice?
Yeah.
That's how we would go skate.
Alright, they are getting ready to put all the stuff on the ice, and I am going up to record it.
Don't make all the pedals fall off.
Oh my god.
Please welcome our next production ensemble, the Skating Club of Greater Youngstown.
You just knocked your sister in the throat.
Titanic. Hold some forks in your knives, kids. I'm cutting your head off.
You're gonna be a long time for that one.
Hold on. Let me.
She's trying to bludgeon me to death.
Oh, sorry. You have a holding her now.
That's a good face painting, actually.
It was free.
You're what, honey?
I matched mine. I said, what can you do? And they're like, basically anything. And I'm like,
Yay, we're done for the day. You guys did really awesome. Mac.
Thank you.
Look at me. You did really awesome. I love the rainbow of colors. That's awesome. Girl got talent.
yeah, she does.
Haley, did you have fun? Your hedgehog.
Hedgehog.
I cannot confirm nor deny the fact that I may or may not want to stop at Summit.
Since we're going past,
Am I allowed?
I don't care.
Tell everybody at home I'm allowed.
I want my snacky.
She said we're allowed to go to Summit.
Why would you guys put that zucchini?
Summit. 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 Well, too late now. Right. We're gonna move this one because I got some really good news, but this isn't the best backdrop to tell you. So give me a minute. to be on this side. So. Those two here. Ready?
Watch the light.
God damn it.
Hold on.
Well, I'm trying to get it flipped around here.
You're hitting the roof.
I see that.
Okay, well.
I'm just trying not to hit my bike, which my ass is hitting. It's a little closer than I thought it was. There we go. Well, guys, the SVT is back in the garage. I was doing a little searching while we were at the event today, and I was floating around on Facebook Marketplace, and I spotted a silver SVT Focus that was up for sale, parting out, about 3 hours from me, and I was pretty excited. So I hit the guy up, I sent him a message, and I just said, hey, you know, what's the story on the motor? He said the motor needs a head gasket, which isn't normal, but it's not, well, it's not common, but I've seen a few. So, back and forth, he gave me a price. It was good enough that I wasn't passing it up. So, I'm going to start getting this motor pulled out. When I get the other motor, we'll go over it, make sure all it needs is a head gasket, throw a new timing belt in it, get it 100% ready to go. We're going to make the SVT run again. So I bought this off to check this timing belt, and technically I could probably get away with using it, but that's an expensive gamble on this car, because if that breaks, that entire head has bent valves. Because it's strange. The SVT version is an interference engine. The standard Z-Tech is technically not an interference engine. They've been known to occasionally ding a valve, but for the most part, they're like, you throw a timing chain at, rebuild it. It doesn't matter. Or a timing belt and just throw a new one in. It's fine. SVTs, you can't do that. They go, there's the head. So, oh, I have to show you another thing. My loving other half was apparently cutting grass. Living other half was cutting grass, and now not only do I have the dings on one side of the car to fix, I now have this to fix. She apparently slid on the tractor and put a dent the entire length of the good quarter panel of my car. It couldn't have been the side that's got the dents. No. But that's okay. I'm planning on doing a full repaint on this car. It's going back to its former bright yellow glory, no longer having the faded fender. Debating whether I'm going to keep my black hood or whether I'm going to paint that yellow to match the car. We'll have to see what happens. But doors are going to have to be adjusted better because I know they're off. We're just going to go through. We're going to do 100% on this car throughout the winter. So this spring, this girl can go to Superfly's season opener. That's my plan. That's my hope. We're going to do a lot of work to it. We're going to do some custom work to it because I want it to be a little bit different. So there's going to be a few things cleaned up, changed, different. I mean, I'll give you a hint here, probably a hint here. Yeah, we're going to have some fun. But I'm done for the day. We've been running all day. I'm excited to see the Focus back in the garage. Obviously, you saw me drop the key stuff off so I can get a new key made for the green one so I can beat around in it because Mustang's got to get put away. And yeah, whole lot done, whole lot of kids stuff taken care of. Next up, pulling an engine. So I want to try and get all this done by next weekend or so because the new engine will be coming. We'll put it on a stand at Dad's and we're going to pull the head off of it, check it all over, make sure the bottom end's good, replace all the lower gaskets so I have no leaks there. Then we can throw it in. So, like, comment, subscribe if you want to follow this build or any of my other builds that I have going on like the MGA. And as always, we'll see you on the flip side.